Thank you for this opportunity to share the views of the Swedish Research Council on the important concept of research culture. The core of a sound research culture belongs to the researchers and the research performers. I can still recall the group meetings in my research group, where usually the junior researchers presented their most recent results and the discussions that followed with the senior persons in the group. This is a place where the culture should be sitting in the walls. This is a core of research culture. And it is very much a question of leadership at the research group level, as well as at the department level and perhaps also at the faculty level. A sound research culture stimulates curiosity and good research practice. The opposite can be a disaster, both for the individual researchers and for the trust in research. At the national level, we focus our work on policies and financial support of, for example, research assessment, open science, research integrity, gender balance, science communication. We clearly have an important role in this respect, and we constantly have a dialogue with the research performers in order to make sure that the incentives that we create are useful and make a difference. At the European level, the policies are taken one step further. Since research is a truly international activity, changes and improvements in the research culture is much more effective if we all agree on policy issues. And another important aspect of international collaboration is that we can learn from each other, share good practice. Therefore, I'm very much looking forward to the high-level meeting in Luxembourg next month and the discussions we will have on research culture. And let's have the researchers in focus during these discussions. Thank you.